If you've been going hard in the gym since January and you have not seen any results, it's time to hang it up. Try something new. This is how meal prepping is going to knock 10 pounds off you by next month. Let's get it. Portion control. You need to learn how to expertly portion or get an expert to portion for you. Because yeah, things can be healthy, things can be good for you. But if you're not at a calorie deficit and if you're overeating, it's going to go bad for you. I'm by no means an expert. I have my guys over there at Meal Prep Sunday do all that calculating for me. I just went on their website, put in this information, and that's all I did. And they do all the other stuff for me. Number two, time efficiency. It takes time to shop, to cook, to portion, to clean, and you still gotta find the willpower to go to the gym. So good luck if you're cooking every day. Good fucking luck. Because I meal prep. Well, Meal Prep Sunday meal preps for me, but I get it from them. I meal prep. It still counts. Number three is budget friendly. And I don't know if you know, but the dollar ain't a dollar no more. We gotta save any way we can. You need to meal prep or get meal preps delivered to you. My guys do it for free. I'm just saying. Number four is easy. It's gonna be consistency and discipline. Having a good routine and sticking to it is gonna make those good habits even stronger, and it's gonna make the results you're looking for even better. Number five, which can easily be number one. This list isn't in any particular order, but number one, flavor and variety. Stop with the chicken and rice and ground beef and potatoes. You are better than this. I guarantee 3 weeks in of eating that same shit over and over again, you will cancel out 3 weeks of progress in one day because you couldn't contain yourself anymore. You needed something different. This is why I always vouch for Meal Prep Sunday, because they have 50 new meals a week that are made by chefs, so they're delicious. And their menu changes every week. So I'm able to fight those demons.